At Liberty AV Solutions, we stay at the leading edge of the Pro AV industry, but there's something else we do. We look at things differently. We step around the products and their environment to look at it from all angles, to see what else we can do to revolutionize and improve the Pro AV installer's job. Liberty listened to our customers' end-user challenge of presentation adapters going missing in their boardrooms, training facilities, classrooms, and public speaking venues. Inevitably, the adapter needed by a presenter had been used by the last presenter, which accidentally got packed in his bag when he finished. And now, it's on a plane to Tokyo. We heard this challenge and went to work, sending our team of product developers and engineers to the drawing board. They came up with the breakthrough Universal HDMI Adapter Ring, which is already revolutionizing our customers' installations. It utilizes existing technology, but in a much smarter way. The stainless steel security ring and clamp assembly locks in the HDMI cable. The complete assembly comes with the 5 most popular display adapters used in presentations, and keeps the adapters right at your fingertips. All adapters support audio. You can also order any of these adapters a la carte for your own customized assembly. Liberty also gives you the option of a separate clamp that is compatible with Apple adapters. The DL-AP white clamp is just as easy to use as the standard black clamp. For worry-free adapting of various mobile content devices to HDMI, Liberty's patent-pending HDMI adapter ring is a simple yet revolutionary solution.